So look at this. Potatoes, grated cheese, and sausage cooked on the Vivor. Oh man, don't that look good. So this is gonna be a simple one today. Just a few easy ingredients. I kind of washed one potato. We're gonna keep the skin on. One habanero, I've done this with a ghost pepper, and a jalapeno would be good. Just a little bit of cheese and some sausage. And we're gonna make a potato patty, cook it on here and have just a little lunch. Easy, 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 let's go. First, we're gonna get our grater here. And I'm gonna set this up and we'll just lock that in place. And we can do the cheese first because I've got the small one already in here. And for that one, I wanna do the cheese. We'll just go ahead and place this under there. And we're gonna place this habanero in there too. Little cheese right there. And then let's go ahead and, I'm in a bad position, let me get over here. And then we're gonna go ahead and grate up this cheese. And of course pepper. Seeds and all. If we can get, all right, take this out. Put that in the right way, didn't have it in the right way. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and remove this one. I want to use a little bigger size here for the potato. Place that in here. Let's go ahead and lock that in. And the potato we'll put right there. And we're just going to grind it in the same bowl. Once you get down to there, we'll put this in here. All right, just like that. Pull that on out. And look at there. We've got the potatoes, we've got some cheese, we've got a pepper, all ground up in there. It's a little bit of the pepper there that didn't get ground. That's okay, we'll just leave that in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some sausage in here. And this is just some leftover out of a package, some smoked sausage that I had. We're just gonna, and if you want actually, you like to remove the skin if you want some of the skin off of it. You don't really have to, but it'd be easier to cut and everything. So there we go. I'm just gonna cut this right in here. Get you some good flavor to go with it. Maybe cut them a little smaller. Just going to get all those ingredients mixed together. Now if you find, and I didn't do this, but if you do this in advance, you might actually do the potatoes separate. You can put you a paper towel and remove some moisture from them if you want to. Today we're going just like this. And we're just going to go ahead and make a patty. And use, you can use salt, pepper. We're using some of this garlic jalapeno Grand Oak seasoning. Season it up. Just a dash of olive oil. So it don't stick and it'll cook and crisp. I think this will, once it starts browning, should hold together. There they are. We're just going to let these brown up and then we'll give them a flip. Let's go ahead and maybe press down just a little. Kind of make them in one piece a little bit. There we go. All right, we'll flip them here in a minute. It's go ahead and see how they're looking here. Got that cheese melting. Don't know if it's quite ready, but get that sausage, get right back there. There we go, put that back in. Do this side. Ah, there we go. That one's looking good. Put that back there. We'll flip it again, a little browner. Ooh, the cheese and everything smells good. We'll add some more seasoning and we'll be good to go. From this point, just cook it ever how you want, crispier, whatever. I think I'm good. Right there's the first one. Right there's the second one. And one piece of sausage that kind of come off there. Good. All right, you're gonna go ahead and cut into this. Let's see if we get, you know, any kind of cheese or cheesy pull from this. I don't know. Let's just take a look. Look, see how it spreads. Oh, that cheese. A little bit of a cheese pull there. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look at all that goodness. And let me tell you, I just got that grater, and bag cheese is something of the past. If you have bag cheese, that's fine, but block cheese, and that's Kobe. Oh yeah. If you don't want it spicy, don't put a pepper in. I like it that way. Easy, quick, super good lunch or dinner idea right there.